How to add cards on Grab application. Are guests facing issues to add card on Grab application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grab application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, you can see the option for payment, add a card, tap on it. Click on cards. You can just simply scan the card, or if you want to enter the card manually, then just enter details manually. Over here, write down your card number, your expiry date, and your CVV number. After you fill up all the details, just simply tap on continue. Once you click on continue, your card will be added on Grab application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add card on Grab application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.